Our automotive group, McGrath Family Dealerships, has been in business for 65 years, 66 years actually this year. We're a third generation car dealer group with 10 locations now. I'm Gavin McGrath. I'm the general manager at Pat McGrath Chevyland. So we connected with Van Meter and Munson Electric to upgrade 5 of our facilities that needed the work bad. And we just couldn't be happy with how it turned out, the communication, the execution, and now how the result, looking at it, not only during the day with the new poles and heads, but the lot lights at night are phenomenal.
I'm Michael Feldman. I'm a project manager for Munson Electric. Munson Electric serves, Eastern Iowa. We're a full-service contractor, so there really isn't anything we don't do. We come out, we give them kind of an all-inclusive quote with a lighting layout, show them their foot candles, what their lights are going to look like beforehand. We partner with Van Meter for a turnkey solution.
I'm Rick Randall. I'm an account manager for Van Meter. They were having problems with high maintenance costs, high energy costs, and they were looking at upgrading to LED. And just to make it easy for them, we offered them a turnkey solution, which includes the lighting design, the new equipment, Munson Electric's labor, and we all partnered together on that just to provide them one price that they had to worry about.
They took it all on and then developed a great plan for us financially to be able to handle it, and just really shocked us and wowed us with the way we were able to execute it and have it done through one party.
Our lighting specialist, Sean Myers, did some lighting layouts that showed what the existing foot candle levels were, what the new foot candle levels would be with the LED lighting, and where we needed to add any light poles or delete light poles, just to get a better uniformity and a better lighting solution for the customer.
We just evaluated our facilities and picked the stores that needed it the most. Like, for example, Chevyland, we've had the original poles and heads since 1993, so it needed it bad. Our Buick, GMC, Cadillac, Kia, our Dodge store, and our Marion store, and they just all turned out great.
Previously, they had 1,000-watt metal halide fixtures, which we swapped out for 360-watt LED fixtures.
The old lighting was pretty dull. The bulbs were constantly needing replaced. We had somebody out here from the electrical company every week at least, maybe even every other day, changing out light bulbs. And the poles were really starting to get rusty and worn.
They're not nearly as uniform, and so you get different color renderings, bouncing off the vehicles. With the LED lights, very uniform, nice color rendering. It really makes the vehicles stand out.
So we're actually using like 2/3 or less energy, and we actually raised their light level by about 18%. So they're getting more light for less money and less maintenance costs over the life of the LEDs. The metal halide lamps probably are rated at about 20,000 hours of life. The LEDs are rated closer to 150 to 200,000 hours of life. So the longevity is going to be, the savings is going to be there for a long, long time.
So what we were really trying to accomplish by upgrading the lots that we did was energy savings, number one. Annual maintenance costs were really going up, so we were able to save a ton of money there. And then just the appeal of it. You drive by this lot now with it done versus what it looked like. It's a whole different experience for our customer.
Overall, I think across 5 lots here between Cedar Rapids and one lot in Marion, it was about 467 light fixtures.
They'll probably save $160,000 over those 467 lights annually. So this whole project probably took, or will pay itself back in a little less than 3 years, and after that all the extra profit just goes to the bottom line. It was very rewarding to see when a project finally gets finished and it all comes together, that it did what you told the owner it was going to do, and they have been nothing but happy with what we've done so far.
We have cameras that watch our lots every night, and so when those are on and they're being watched by a team out of Florida, they can see the lot so much better with these new lights. Certainly the way it displays the cars at night, and I would even during the day, just how the heads look, and it's just a much cleaner, much more appealing look than the old ones were.
they've all came out perfectly. Higher light levels, much better uniformity, lower operating costs, and lower maintenance costs.
I'd recommend Van Meter to anybody. Car dealers, retailers, doesn't matter, anybody that needs this type of service, they do a great job.